All right, so I needed to figure out where the exhaust versus where the inlet is. And you can see there's a port here, a port on the other side, but both sides say exhaust, exhaust, exhaust. So I just made sure I pulled out the plugs that were in there. I'm just going to plug it in. And right here I can feel the exhaust. And here I can feel it sucking in, so I know that my filter is going to go right here, and then my solenoid valve, my check valve, and all that stuff is going to go over here on the exhaust. So here is the filter, and this one actually has one in it in place already, as well as 2 extra filters. So I'm just going to put some thread tape on this and then put it in here. Okay. And then now I know where my valve is going to go over here. So I'll do the same thing. And then we're just going to put our little solenoid on here. And it does come with a little nut to fasten that on. And that's really pretty much it, except for attaching the hoses. So now it's just getting it in place and attaching everything. All right, so to just try to make it where I'm not going to get any kinks, I'm going to lay one end down and I'm just going to unroll her. So just like so, have my partner step on it. All right, so I'm just putting the clamp on. I'll tighten it down at least to where it gets kind of touching the hose a little bit. You can see it's kind of loose. Like I said, I'm not tightening it down onto the hose real hard, just getting it closer to where it needs to be before I put it on. That, and I need to run it through here first. Slide it on there. Put the hose up to that barb. It's got valves on this if you're only using one of these. I'm going to use both, so both valves will be open. and make sure your valve's open. All right, so that's our connections there. Now we got to hit the diffusers. All right, so now we'll hook up our the plates for our diffusers, the hosing and the diffuser itself. And it's always good to wear gloves. I cut my little finger on a, I think it was on one of these little clamps. So always be careful. So if you see a little blood in there, it's a small cut, nothing big. I say I always wear gloves, but of course here I'm not wearing them, but yeah. PPE, people. Protect yourself. No one else cares. All right, so now we're going to connect the diffuser to the base plate. It does have a little O-ring, little seal for it. Should be pretty good. Do the same to the other. As you can see, I'm in different attire right now because we got rained on, so we'll see if we can get this done or not. Okay, so now what I'll first try to do is make sure I'm not all tangled up. Get these separated a little bit. Take one out at a time. All right. I'll try to get it to where it comes down, I guess right about here. And then I'll put it wherever. So maybe we'll see kind of how far I can get this one out. I'll turn around and see kind of how far we are here. I see we got a little bit of tube left. Yeah, there we go. Now it's taking it. I think what I'll do is try to get it back over here a little bit close to this tree if I can. And then I'll get the other one out a little bit more the other direction, but we'll see. We'll see where we're at. Just trying to straighten her out right now. And that's about it. Alrighty. So secure this little puppy. I think that's about where it's at. Let her drop. And I'll grab the other one. Probably end up pulling that back just a little bit, but otherwise I think it's at a good location, so we'll see where we can get the next one. All right, got the next diffuser, and we'll do the same thing. Maybe I'll just go out backwards, kind of see where I'm at here. Already got a little kink in this little bastard. All right. I'll ask my partner to keep an eye to see if I'm tangling up on there as I go. Yeah, I'd like to have this one a little bit more over here, just kind of separate. Spin around, see where I'm at. Oh yeah, I got a little bit more to go. I just want to try to get these lines kind of evened out, but yeah. All right, I'm gonna ask my assistant to see if you could pull that hose over there a little bit for me. Just make them both even with each other. Might get a little bit more distance out of that. Yep, just pulling them together just like that. It's good stuff. All right, see if I can give it a little yank here. She's giving me some slack, so now I can just give it a little pull. See how far that gets me. All right, I think that's pretty good. Set this one down. And let her sink, and I think that's it. So now I'm gonna get me a little backup run so I can try to hit the shore moving. But otherwise, our diffusers are set, and next thing we will do is turn this thing on and see if my electric will reach this far out. So that's another one. So we'll see how that works. All right. All right, made it. Next thing is we will turn the diffuser on or turn the aerator on and see what we got. Ready? So this may be the totally wrong thing to do, but all of this extension cord, which is pretty big extension cord, but this is what I have to run the aerator right now. Hopefully soon I will be able to dig out and run some electric back there, but for now this is where we're at. We'll see if we trip some breakers, we'll see if we cause any problems, but yeah, here we go. Let's see if we got her. Hey, we have success. Let's go check it out. Listen, the aerators, I don't think I can barely hear it. That's great. Look at that. All right, so I don't know if I'm putting it on this video or not, but I show how to make this, but I want to make it, try to make it as quiet as I can. And it's pretty quiet anyway, but I think with these little sound softeners, I don't know what you call them. Silencers.
Sound barriers.
Yeah. So anyway, with these little, we'll call them silencers for now because I can't think of what they're called right now, but with this, and then I put this on top, I think this has helped out a lot. So I'm not going to be hearing this hardly at all when I'm out here enjoying my day, and I can have this running and it's not loud or anything like that. So that is absolutely amazing. That worked out great. And now I have aeration in my pond. Wow, that looks amazing too. Hey, but that's the end of the video. I appreciate you guys watching. I'm going to enjoy this view, and don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and I'm going to continue to make more videos about this pond, whether it's a success or an absolute failure. That way, either it can help you or it can help you through my failures. So appreciate you guys watching.